Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to do acrylic press-on nails from the scratch. I'm making this set for my client and it's in the size large. I'd put up a size chart to help guide you with like the sizing. Now I rounded off the corners of the nail just so that they fit into the cuticle area of my client's nails. Alrighty, so I just picked up a bead now and I'm going to overlay it or overlay overlay it on the nail tips and sort of make it smooth and flush. And this would be much easier for beginners who want to learn how to do press on nails as opposed to doing like normal like acrylic nails on your client. I think this process is much easier for you to learn how to do, especially because it doesn't require any prep. Like literally you do not have to prep the nails. All you need are full cover nail tips and then some acrylic powder, monomer, a very good brush, and you're good to go. So I'm just going to make sure I put good amount of product. You don't want the nails to be too thick, and at the same time you do not want the nails to be too thin either, so you want to have just the right amount of products. That's right about as thick as my nails are here. And so yeah, I'm just going to do this to all of the nails, and then I'd come back and show you guys the filing process. I basically try to show every step of this set that I'm doing, just so that everybody can like understand and get along. I'm making use of my size 8 brush. For some reasons I don't know, but it's just much more comfortable to work with on the press-on nails or like on nail tips as opposed to working on a client's actual hand. I don't know why. Normally I use a size 12 brush when I'm doing acrylic nails like for my clients, but for press-on nails I use these ones. I guess I'll figure out why eventually. But yeah, as soon as the acrylic sets, you're going to want to file the nails. Now sometimes, or I know that when people like do press-on nails with just gel polish, they want to like sort of prep their nails before like they start to polish the nails. For acrylic nails or for acrylic press-ons, like I said, because you're putting product on the nails, like by product I mean like acrylic powder on the nails, you don't need to like file or sort of prep the nail in any way. You just want to get your tips in order and then start to apply the product on there. So I just did a check to be sure that my nail has set correctly or properly, is set fully. And then I'm just going to file, and I do apologize, I went out of frame quite an amount of time quite an amount of times when I was filing, and yeah, that's because I'm filing. It's not easy for me to stay in frame, but I honestly apologize, you guys. I will try to do better next time. But because I'm using these nail stands, it makes the filing process much easier. Trust me, you guys. Before I got these nail stands, I used to glue my I used to put a tape around my old brush and then stick the nail tips to the tape. It was some weird way I used to do it, but it used to work for me. But when it came to filing, god, my hands would be so numb and so so sore. These nail tips, or these nail stands rather, just make the whole press-on process much easier. So I filed this nail, and then I'll show you the difference between a filed one and then a one that hasn't been filed. And then you can see, if you put just the right amount of product on there, the nail would it would still have all the product on it, and then basically the nail is really good. Okay, you guys, I'm buffering it now, and then I'm going to, um, you know, put some gel polish on there. I'm using this OPI black gel polish. I don't know what name it's called, but it's black, and I'm just going to draw my French nail tips on there. Alrighty, so quick reminder is to make sure to to cure each nail tip in the lamp. And next I'm just going to come in with my blooming gel, and I put some on, like I set some aside, and that's what I'm using to outline my French design. I'm just outlining where I drew out where I've got gel polish on there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix out some white with the leftover black that I used to draw out the French from this set, and then I'm going to use it as a sort of marble effect on the French, just to give it a little bit of detail. Yeah, and just so that it doesn't look too simple. So because I outlined only the French design with the blooming gel, once I apply the marbled white and black polish, it will spread only to the French. And then I cured in the lamp, 60 seconds, all of them, and I'm just applying top coat on all the nails. But I mean, it was still looking very simple. I mean, my client did ask for something simple, but with a little bit of design, so I decided I was just going to put some stones on the thumb, and then I'll do some 3D butterflies on the ring finger. Yes, the ring finger. Yeah, I usually like to apply my top coat before I put my stones. I don't know why, but I feel it's cuter that way. So what I do is I etch just the place where I want to apply my stones, and that's just so that there's like better bond of the stones, of the glue and the stones and all of that. So once again, that's what I'm doing. I'm just etching the middle because I want to place a stone right there, and then that's going to be like the middle of our butterfly. So instead of drawing the body in like the body of the butterfly, I'm just going to put a stone there, and then I'm going to come in with milk white, yeah, and I'm going to use that to create my butterfly wings. And it's the same technique that you use when you're doing the flowers, except that you have to pat, like the butterflies a lot more. Or sorry, you have to pat the bead a lot more to create like the wings, or to make it look like the wings. And yeah, honestly, I don't know how to explain how to do 3D flowers. I just do them. I think it's something I need to work on, explaining how to do it, but it's really not that hard. I'm making use of my size 4 um 3D brush. I've had this for a while. You can use a size 2. When I got the size 4, I actually didn't know it was a size 4 because it didn't have any numbers written on it. And you know how the brush looks smaller than what it actually is before like when it's still new, before you dip it into like the liquid, and then it all spreads out and looks a lot bigger. That was what happened to me. So I thought it was a size 2 brush when I picked it to buy, but it ended up being a size 4. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to finish up with these butterflies, and then I'm going to show you guys the packing and then the final reveal. So for the antennas, I just marked those out with gel polish and my line brush. I actually did make use of one step gel polish, so that I don't have to put top coat on the nails afterwards again. And then I'm just going to pack them in this press-on boxes. You can get this at virtually any nail store, and I'm just going to arrange them to look very pretty. And yeah, you guys, this is the final result. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I think this set is really pretty, and I hope this video was really helpful. Be sure to check out my other videos. There's no link in the bio. Be sure to check out my other videos, you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye bye, you guys.